So, you want to see how deep this is? I am in water in my driveway. I'm coming! My phone is waterproof, so don't freak out. Don't run, Betty, don't run! Ah!
What are you doing?
Because my screen's wet, it's not... Hold on. Don't run, Betty! I gotta get underneath here and hit the button again because I was recording. Okay. Yeah. So, this is outside. This is down our road. My phone is waterproof, so don't everybody freak out. But isn't this fun? All this water, all this, everything. I mean, look at this. I'm on the side of the road. I'm in the road and I'm in the water. Woo! Yeah, Rat loves it though. And it's teaching the dog to like water too, so that's good. Steve's here. Oh, this is so gross. I can't push the buttons on my phone because my phone's wet. There we go. Careful, Rat. Well, he seems to like it now. You like it now, puppers? You like the waters now? Huh? You're all wet. Oh, Rat, come here. There's a car. Come here. See where this car's going. Say hi.
Hi.
No, say hi to the camera, Rat.
Hi.
Say wave.
Where?
Hi. It'll get you wet.
Come on.
Yeah. Hi, Sabrina. Say hi, Sabrina. So this is nothing. That down there is the beach, and with the high tide and full moon, which is going to be a king tide tonight, that beach is going to be all the way up here. Hold on a minute. That swampy beach area over there, and that always floods regardless. I'm coming. I'm coming. I have no shoes on because we're stomping through the puddle. Stomping through the puddle. Stomp, stomp, stomp. In the road. It's all floodable. Yeah. It is raining. But it's all good so far. Ooh, it's coming down harder now. I'm a mess. Thank God for a waterproof casing on my phone. The signal keeps going in and out. So if it cuts off, sorry. But the hurricane's on its way. And we're praying that it'll be a tropical storm by the time it gets here. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Hold on. How do I do this again? I'm in the middle of the street. And there is water in the middle of the street. I can't even touch my buttons anymore because my phone case is wet. And my fingers are wet. Ugh. Hold on, I'm trying to get the right button to hit, and it's... Yeah. The what? Oh, hold on. There are cranes out there. Can you see them? I can't see them. My glasses are all foggy. But yeah. I mean, look at this. What?
All the water rushing down the street.
I know. All the water's rushing down the street. Rhett's loving it. The dog surprisingly busted out of the house to get to us, and he hates water. So, come here, Rhett. Another car. Get over here on the side of the road, baby.
Over here, man.
Well, look at this. I am in the street. And I got water. No, we're fine. He turned. Hold on, doggy's got to pee on everything. But yeah, the internet keeps going out, of course, because I'm outside and it's yucky. But, hey, Rhett. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Turn around. Give kisses.
Hi.
Go, mwah. I mean, look at this. Look how ridiculous this is. I'm splashing my son in the street.
Do they want to see the beach?
I don't have it, no, because then I'll get all sandy. I don't want to, no. The beach is a mess right now. Oh, you're trying to save a leaf? Save the leaf! Save it!
I got it.
You got it? Okay. You saved the leaf? Hi, Fallen Star! I don't know who else is watching, but hi! Oh, it's so wet.
I got it.
It's so wet. I can't even hit anything because my buttons are... The phone case is wet. Oh! Rat, don't go in the bushes, honey!
Come on, bud.
We're not leaving, we're walking! Whew. I'm showing everybody everything. This is ridiculous. Rat, wait, baby! I'm so proud of you, though. You're in the water. Yes, you are.
Yeah, you just get them in the ocean.
You're in the water. Look at there. You having fun? You having fun? Good. We're soaked, but good. Oh, Pete wants to play with you.
Not red.
Don't run around him. He's going to think you're playing. Okay, let's not trip Mommy. Mommy will be very mad if she falls. I can't see a thing. Running around? I mean, that is the beach right there. Whew. It's letting up just a little bit right now, but it ain't gonna stop. It's gonna go on all night. Uh-huh. Hi, Spin!
Yeah, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna take his diaper off. Come here.
No, don't make him completely and utterly naked. Because I'm filming, that's why not.
Rhett, get back down here.
Rhett, don't run that far up there, baby.
Get back up here.
See, look, I'm splashing in the street. Splish, splash. Splish, splash. Look at all the water. It's running. It's running that way. We're not going home. We're playing. Go play. This is so much fun. Thank God for a waterproof phone case. Let him go. Hey, Rhett. There's a big puddle right here. Don't run so fast. You'll fall. Come here. Right here. don't go that way. That's not ours. Come on, puddle. Yeah. So, how's everybody else doing out there tonight, huh? Out there in Facebook land. Well, I'm getting a facial from Mother Nature. I mean, I'm literally kicking up water on the street high enough to wet my shorts. I mean, this is ridiculous. But it's fun. But it's fun. I can't see anything. My glasses are a mess. But it's fun. We're gonna be flooded, but thank God our house is on stilts. 60-mile-an-hour winds, maybe up to 80, expected sometime tonight, all in tomorrow. I'm coming, buddy, I'm coming. Mama's slow. A hurricane fun. Come on, buddy, where you going? Nope, come on, we're going this way. Don't run, honey, don't run that fast. You could trip. And this is cement. Can't tell kids nothing, can we? So who's watching? How are y'all doing? I see 2 people are watching. I don't know who's watching. Whee! Kicking up the water. Okay, now I am in water up to my ankles in the street. My ankles. Brett, that is not ours. Come back. Hi, welcome to Hurricane Fun. I mean, look at this. I am in the street and I'm kicking up water. My street is flooded and Rhett is loving it. Hiya, Tim. Ooh. Ooh. That's pretty rock. I'm half tempted to take y'all to the beach just so y'all could see what it looks like. Because they already have dunes up between the hotels. Hold on a minute, God, my thing is so wet I can't even hit my buttons. Wait! That is a street!
Stop.
Stop! For him to walk. The dog doesn't like water, but he has no choice but to walk in it right now. So, ow! Are we going to the beach then? I mean, we're already halfway there. I'll show y'all the beach. Rhett, come here! Stop! That is the street! Stop right there! Oh, yeah. Come, Rhett, that is not ours! Come here! No, don't run! That is a slope! You will hurt yourself. Come here, give me your hand. We're crossing the street now. Give me your hand, okay? We're gonna play. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Say I'm having fun.
I'm having fun.
Good, okay, now we gotta be careful crossing the street, okay? Wait, no. You see those cars coming? We gotta be careful. Go fast. Alright, stay over here. Get over here. Follow Daddy. The cars are coming in. Get over here. I'm not hurting you. You're fine. Go that way. Stay on the side, Rhett. Alright, let me see if I turn this around. Whew. Okay. Whew. I smell the ocean. Ocean. See? They got the dunes already up. To protect so that this part won't flood. Okay. Now with the full moon and the high tide tonight, which is king tide, it's Alright, come here. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. We're going to go play back in the water, okay?
Okay.
Where it's safe. Whew. Oh, this is so much fun. Because there's so much sand, we're going to get sand blasted. So we're just going to go back and play in our street and play in the water. What? You're fine. The cars are not going to hurt you. Mommy's got your hand. Turn this back. Daddy's got the dog, baby. Mama's got you. It's okay. Alright, stop. Put Daddy, wait. Go. Go. Go, go, go. Okay. Over here, baby. Over here. No, we're not quite away yet. Ooh, wow. My camera got fogged out. I guess I'll end it here, guys. Give you updates as I go. Bye.